It's exciting to be here at the second Global Conference for Information on Demand. Let me share a little bit for those of you not here. We have between 6,500 and 7,000 attendees here. We have 160 plus partners on our exhibition floor. Our expo floor has the size of 3 football fields. We have a lot of our customers here. And in the end, the success of our customers is what drives us the most.
We're the 4th largest newspaper company in the United States. Currently, we run DB2 on Windows. We've been on DB2 for 4 years now. It's actually worked out really well. Prior to that, we were on SQL Server. We found some performance issues, and we needed a similarly large enterprise database system that actually performed better.
And just the benefits alone from the memory management that DB2 has, the strength of how easy it is to use and to learn, and also with each release, how much they're improving and how quickly the technology is moving ahead of SQL and even Oracle.
The show has been too good. It's been too busy. We've had more than 200 folks dropping in. So Excoto is a software company. We're a data partner with IBM. We provide data virtualization. Our product's called GridScale. It's something that's really important in our partnership with IBM. We work with DB2 LUW, provide continuous availability and horizontal scale. Right? What we mean by horizontal scale is that we provide a grid of DB2. So you can have 2 boxes, 3, 5, 8, and depending on your workload, you can get a pretty sizable increase in performance.
The most important new feature, of course, is performance. That's why we both see in front of this nice Ferrari. What we introduce is the term transactional XML, that as customers who use XML data in more transactional environments, think of financial industry and banking. What customers typically see is a benefit of storage savings of 13% compared to version 9.
Just Systems is the XML company. Just Systems has been working very closely with IBM to promote the pure XML technology. And where things come to the XML, Just Systems XY technology can provide the excellent user interaction and the user experience to the pure XML technology. One of the customer of Just Systems using pure XML technology on modernize their data center and the internal IT infrastructure from the ordinary relational database-based solution to the XML relational hybrid. None of the other database can provide the XML performance that DB2.9 provides.
My name is Nick Nagel. I represent Altova, right, makers of XML Spy, MapForce, and many other tools related to XML development. Our tools essentially sit on top of DB2 but with deep integration, so many of the DB2 extensions are available for use through our tools.
About 2 years ago, when we were launching our development efforts, we didn't want to spend a whole lot of money, and at the same time, we wanted to use a product that we knew could grow with us, grow with our business, and was really an industrial strength, real product, not something just built by a couple guys in the garage in Sweden. And so DB2 Express C fit that bill to a T.
My name is Fred Sabatka. I'm a database consultant with FRS Consulting, and I help small and medium businesses succeed with DB2 for Linux, Unix, and Windows platforms. I really like Express C. It is a really solid engine. It is the most stable part of some of the applications I work on. It just works. It's boring how well it works. So put it in a robot. It's solid. It's got all of the same stability that I see in the Enterprise Edition. It's the same source code.
ZenCore for IBM is a commercial grade or enterprise ready PHP DB2 stack that we developed in conjunction with IBM and the PHP community. PHP community is about 4.5 million developers. PHP is running on about 20 to 30 million websites, so we needed something that could scale, have high availability, and felt that DB2 and or Express C was the right database of choice.
So Info 2.0 is a concept which is about delivery of information to the Web 2.0 class of applications, and we are doing it by extending our information on demand in two dimensions. One is the ubiquity of information access, and second is the ubiquity of reach in terms of ultimately end users being able to mix and match information. This whole Info 2.0 package is now available as IBM's Mashup Starter Kit that can be downloaded from our AlphaWorks site.
We're happy to be with IBM launching an Info 2.0 appliance that takes the IBM Mashup Starter Kit, combines it with the performance and the speed and control of a Sonoma appliance for deploying enterprise solutions. A good example of a situational application could be, you're creating a sales dashboard where you want to combine your pipeline with how your customers are located on a map. And some of the customer data is coming from a DB2 database, mashed up with a Google map, as well as some other Salesforce application where you're looking at your pipeline.
We have a very, very large SAP environment. R3, BW, SEM, SRM, Enterprise Portal, BCS, and several other applications that support that environment.
I'm quite happy with the combination of DB2 and SAP in our environment. I find that the combination of these two technologies is well thought out, well supported, and the alignment of bug fixes, releases, and changes are better than ever before. DB2 we recently upgraded to version 9, which was a breeze.
Canonical are the commercial sponsors of the Ubuntu project. So the whole concept of driving ISVs to support Ubuntu included looking at IBM and DB2. And DB2, being the brilliant database that it is and being cross-platform, was really an obvious choice to go to first, because it already supported Linux. IBM's got skills and experience in the Linux world, and we've got a very good relationship with IBM. So for the past 2 years or so, we've been working on making DB2 work really well and packaged and easy to install on Ubuntu.
Well, at the conference, people are getting a free copy of this new DB2 Viper Strikes Again book that features all of the latest features of DB2 9.5. Roger Sanders has a series of 3 certification guides that have just published. 2 of the titles are just being launched here in Las Vegas. The best place to buy them is online, and I would suggest you go to ibm.com/software/data/education.